I tried getting the door closed in time. Luckily, it stopped when I told it to stop, because otherwise we'd have had a dead dog. Brutus is fast.
Because
Sounds just like mommy. Barks just like mommy. Here, you want to carry? Keep it pointed like that, hon. See?
she's learning to her mother, honey ko.
Yeah.
How to make ow-ow.
Spot just stepped on the back of my right slipper and tried to trip me. Go on, go past me. Go ahead. Go on. Go.
Look, honey ko.
Mm-hmm.
Good afternoon, mga guys. Here. Talk, honey ko.
I see it.
Talk, because your follower English could understand what's happening today.
Look, guys, they poured cement.
They went home. They just went home. Guys, the 4 workers.
They poured cement. That's what happened today, guys.
Mao na ilang human karon, guys. Nagbuhos anang
This is day 8, yes?
yeah,
Day 8?
day 8. No.
Yeah, I think so.
Yesterday is 8. Today is 9.
Is it?
Yes, I mistake because the last upload is 7 dot.
Yeah.
So yesterday,
I thought
Not-
I uploaded yesterday, no?
not yet.
Oh. Okay.
We talked video yesterday, not yet uploaded. Supposed to be tonight, the uploaded.
Yeah, I'll try to get
But
it done.
you did not finish it.
I'll try to get it done.
Now it's 9 day. 9.
Okay,
Day-
day 9.
Day 9. Look,
So they
guys.
poured the anchor post hole, or the anchors to the posts, all the way around now. And whatever that space in between would be called the footing for the rest of the wall.
Muna ilang work today, guys. 4 workers. Nagbuhos ana, guys. Nagbuhos ana. Kadong dito.
They can't hear you over the dogs and the motorcycle.
Very noise.
Go get him, kid. Go get him.
But she's following only the big dogs. If they make ow she make ow also.
You
She's
say
just
she's
following.
still small, huh?
Yes.
She used to be this big. She used to be that big, that little.
Yeah.
She's almost full grown.
I think that is the dog that they make blowjob.
They make what?
Blowjob. The
I don't know, that was
drinking.
her.
The
Different
Tintin or baby dog.
I don't know, it was her or another one. She is one of the 2 white ones. What happened to the other white one?
Ah.
Probably got picked up by somebody. Come on, guys. Come on. Come on. Get in here.
Just
The white.
honey ko.
Huh?
Just let them outside because they just finished eating. They gonna pop here inside. Just let them outside.
Either come in or go out. One or the other. Because I'm closing this. I don't want you to get killed. Go. Go. Now they won't get crushed. My big fear is they're going to wind up getting stuck. And that door will not stop. It'll just squeeze them until they're dead. That would not be good.
Here, guys. Mo nang panghitabo today, guys. Balitang bisdak.
Their engine has seen better days.
The old machine na niko.
The air filter.
That is lolo ani.
They're running without an air filter. That's not good unless he took it with him. Yeah, that's definitely Jejie. It's definitely Jejie.
They make like that
Over
until
and over and over and over and over.
Many
and over
times.
And over and over and over and over.
tired the arm of Niboy. Always like that, not running.
What, you want me to take it?
Hoy, talk to your followers.
Look, guys, they poured cement.
It's useless. We bought that, but they did not
Yeah, the
use.
tarp, yeah. Hasn't even been opened. So, spent money on tarp and they aren't using it. Of course, it was pretty hot today. It was pretty hot.
But they really want to use plywood.
Go figure.
To endanger their head.
Mm-hmm.
But this is good for them. They did not use.
We've got 6 bags of cement left.
6.
6 bags.
Yes.
We're going to order how many more tomorrow?
20.
20 bags of cement.
Yes.
Okay.
25.
25. Make up your mind. Oh shoot, I didn't bring a light bulb down with me.
I can order tomorrow.
I didn't bring a light bulb and ladder down with me. I wouldn't need a ladder. I can climb right there. Here, you take this, keep talking. I'm going to go up and grab the light bulb. I'm having a hard time making sure these things are working because I don't know which way the light switch goes, guys. And I came down early this morning, just starting to get light in the sky, and I don't know whether it was too light for the lights to be working properly or not. So I'm going to get a regular light bulb. And
I have many lights there, Haniko. Do not get on the kitchen light. There is light there in the pantry.
I was just going to get the one out of our window,
Okay.
like before. Try not to slide on this stupid rock.
Hello guys, mga guys. Kani mga guys, hapit na ni mahuman mga guys. No, I did not bring it.
Where are they?
In my pocket. In my here. The pants I wore in the left side. Hapit na ni siya mga mahuman mga guys, oh. Ligon na ni siya mga guys. Kani siya mga guys, kani. Poste sa haligi. The post is number 16 that. The bar. The angle bar is number 16. And the support angle bar is 10 and 12. So, ligon na mga guys. Kang engineer mga guys, ang gamit diri mga guys, 12 bra, 12. Wa siya nagamit og 16. Kay mahal man para niya. Mga baratuhon raman gigamit engineer mga guys. Mga gagmay na siya mga guys. Pero okay ra. Gagmay kay di bang kaayo pari ani nga taas kaayo. Kani kinahanglan yun ning dagkuon kay taas kaayo. Kinahanglan na muhagbong ni diri kupog. Pero kani siya mubo raman siya okay ra na siya din ha. Pero mga gagmay na siya mga kabilya. Kani gyud kinahanglan ning dagkuon na siyang kabilya. Kay mahagbong niya na diri. Magasto pa may anig. Kuan kasako mga guys. 100 kasako. Simento. Para sangko dito sa babaw. Una. Sangko na dito sa babaw. Gani pa sangkoon sa babaw. Kaya og dili sangkoon dito sa babaw mga guys. Ang mga bato kanang nasa babaw mga bato mga guys. Mga ligi diri, mga igo mi. Delikado kay maigo mong naong. Hindi mi kabantay. Mga ligid diri. As kano mga guys, oh. Nangawat og suga. Stealing our light. Very good for workers today, mga guys. Bisan sa puton ang machine mga guys, mixer sa puton. Mabaw og paandar si Niboy ana. Dili na siya maandar dayon sa puton. Kinahanglan gyud taas og pasensya ana mo gamit ana. Kay sa puton sad, tiwas sa guba. Inya na siya guys. Mga guys, kana siya sa puton na siya nga machine. Dugay kay siya maandar. Anya kung sa puton sad ang magdala ana at tiwasan og guba. Yan na mga guys. Dako sila agi karon mga guys, oh. Bisan sa puton ang machine, nakaagi gyapon sila. Bisan sa puton ilang mixer, nakaagi gyapon sila, oh. Ayun, agi. Lawom kaya na siya mga guys. Ang pagka-count anak nila lawom kayo. Ligon na siya. He gonna fix the light mga guys because that two lights there is motion detection but did not function. Why did not function that, honey? It's broken?
We'll find out if this comes on right now. The switch is on right now.
No, function now.
So it didn't come on this morning. I think it's because it's too light. There's too much daylight already. Even though I came out, what, 5 minutes after sunrise, it's a little bit of sunlight. So that's the right way for the switch. I was correct.
Yes.
Right. So these should be coming on, and they're not.
But I don't like that kind of light, honey ko. Motion detection.
Why?
If I come here not stay, if I come here, it's no light. The light is when I center there.
No, actually, if you're like about right here, if you stand about right here, both of them should come on. In fact, when I was down here, the white was about right here, and she'd move and both would come on. I don't know why they're not coming on now. We'll have to come down when it's dark outside.
The stealing people, if they try to come here night, they scared.
It'll come on, yeah.
Because they're thinking no light, but when they are center of there, it's gonna.
Like I said, it's going up like this. It comes down like this, all the way around in a circle. Motion detected in that circle, it comes on. Now maybe it's not enough for both lights to come on, but it's close. Like I said, when the white was moving around, they were coming on. Mosquitoes.
That's why the dog may be scared coming here because when they enter here,
I don't think so. 'Cause the white was laying on top of this a couple of times.
open that light.
Did you want to cover this up or no?
I'll try to camera, honey.
You don't have to cover.
If the wind is coming here, gonna with this.
Yeah, I know.
But that's why I was concerned here because it's here.
Mm-hmm.
The last here is here.
When we get the new load delivered, it's going to be there again.
Yes.
I'm going to have to possibly go in without you because I'm starting to get eaten alive.
Where is now? Again, I think they are throwing. Yes, it's very important for me.
Don't bang the wall with sharp objects. They wanted to. That mosquito got me good. Mosquitoes love me.
Give me stone. Stone. Big. Big, not small. Big. Big. Big.
Well, most of these are wet, and I don't want to take them from there. Let's grab a piece of hollow block.
Not. This one can, the white cannot kick this.
Nope.
Because when he's climbing here, it's like that.
And
Digging.
you just kick cement everywhere.
So he cannot kick this.
You just kick cement everywhere, or rock or something.
Rock that.
You gonna put a bar across the bottom, or just leave it?
Here is one.
See, she already had a rock. She didn't need me to get one for her. See how you are?
Yes. Just give me small. Help that small. The small one cannot help that. Need big. Let's go. I will not use this. I will use.
Big?
No! I will use this.
Well, there's one over there too.
Check your welding machine and
Welding machine's there. I don't know
grinder.
don't know where the grinder's at. Welding machine's
yeah,
there.
grinder.
Oh, I see it.
That.
Oh, what?
Small here. That's small.
Hmm?
Here. Here. That's small.
I'm moving. Mosquitoes trying to get me in the face.
Go. Go.
Like, literally, he was buzzing me in the eyeball. Key is in the lock. See the mosquito right there.
Halaka, halaka.
I'm leaving.
Halaka, go.
It's funny. She didn't believe me that I had mosquitoes buzzing around me. She come up to me and look, there's 4 of them running around my legs. Not good. And when I get bit by mosquitoes, I usually swell up like a balloon. The size of a dime to the size of a quarter, depending on how long they've sucked my blood. Anyway, all right. I'm going to end the recording. Oh, I didn't take that. How about that? Beautiful day, but the mosquitoes are out. I already got bit twice. Thanks for watching, guys. Stop recording. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and hit.
Click the notification.
See? She remembers.
Click.
Bye.